Well, I would love to have something like this at home, obviously. So Neil, can you walk me into this beautiful safe?
Sure. So this is the Mobilis safe. It is a modular safe. So it ships to you in a box that's about this high. It'll come to your door, and then you assemble it, which means you can move it if you need to. If you move from an apartment or a flat to a new house, or you move completely, you can disassemble it and move it. One of the great features is this square lock panel system here. So it's completely modular. You buy square lock accessories and you can configure the safe any which way you like.
Wow.
We have lights that come with it. It is EN certified, so it's perfect for the European market. Very secure, very safe. You can see we have a keypad here. It also has backup key access as well.
So
but I think the thing that really sells it,
battery.
What's that?
You will never have problems with the battery and the lock.
Yeah, no, you can always replace your battery. But I think the biggest feature in here, obviously, is the size, but the square lock accessories make it completely modular. Obviously, you can store firearms in here. It's fire resistant. You can store paperwork, documents, passports, whatever you need to in here.
Certainly the size is able to accommodate all that. Does it also come in different sizes, or this?
Yes, there is a medium size as well. This is the largest double door. And then there's also a smaller version, as you can see here on the sell sheet. All this information, there's a single door, medium sized double door, and then the max. This would be the max. All this information is available at Hornady.com.
Well, Neil, thank you so much. Any comments, please post them below, and keep following All4Shooters and all4hunters.com.